Welcome to my page, everybody. My name is Umair, ex-MMA fighter, athlete, turned into real estate investor. Me and my wife invest in real estate full time. We've created a community here in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area, and we're expanding. And we're looking for talent to join us in the vision of helping more people find financial freedom through real estate investing, business, and entrepreneurship. Um, I'm glad you're here. Stay tuned. In this channel, you're going to see example after example after example of people who have got started with our systematic approach to creating real estate investors. And you're going to just hear examples of their deals, whether it's fix and flip, Airbnb arbitrage, their traditional short-term rental, typical rentals, multifamily. We own mobile home parks. We do rent to buy stuff for people. So real estate investing is what has really helped us find the financial flexibility that we need to live a quality life. And we're about empowering others to do the same. Stick around, ask questions, and enjoy the content. Thanks.